Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your domain to Weebly. First, log into your account. Then, on the top left, click on My Site and make sure that you're on the site that you want to work with. Now, on the left panel, go to Website and under it, go to the Domains section. Here, you'll have an option to set up a domain, so click on it. Now, from the options, choose Use a domain I own elsewhere. Here, just type in the domain that you own, then hit on the Verify button. Now, to proceed, you can connect it manually or connect automatically. So just choose one based on your liking, but for the both option, you need to upgrade your account to a premium plan so that you will be able to connect a custom domain of your own. Now for the connect option, just like the manually one, you also need to upgrade your plan. But once done, you can now easily go and use your domain that you own. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.